wonderful rise across indices and commodities as I asked you to buy gold at 1758 and silver at 2160 levels yesterday. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. On the hourly charts, gold appeared to be trading outside Bollinger Bands and trading at extremes. Now it is trying to create a channel in which it might try to trade sideways or with slight bullish bias. Yes, below 1767 you can sell, but then expect 1764, 1760 as the major support zone. Previously, the resistance at 1760 and 65. Now it is going to act as a major support area. Right now, yes, it appears to be stretched a bit on the upside and hence a little retracement can be expected, but still do not sell till the time it trades above 1767. The directional movement is overbought, the stochastic is overbought and hence looking at drop. MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is also near to overbought levels. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, it is, see, the previous candle had a good wick on the upside. At the same time, the body size was less than half of the complete movement, indicating that the bulls are not very much interested to sustain the bullish momentum potentially. Also, this is all trading outside the Bollinger Bands and hence getting a pullback here on the downside. The potential for it to achieve 1772 levels, 1770 exists, but only bearishness once it confirms below 1767. Then you can expect 1764, 60 as the support, and below that you can expect a good drop. Directional movement is bullish. It is divergent. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It appears it has seen the peak. Probably it may converge from here and hence a little bearishness cannot be denied. The RSI is overbought. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, now see the candle is still in green and yes, it is getting a pullback. There is a downward pressure from here. It may try to close here with a hammer, inverted hammer, or potentially it is also trading outside the Bollinger Bands and hence from here we can expect a little downward movement till towards 1764, but we will be cautious there. At the same time, trading above 1780 you can buy and expect it to rise more. The directional movement is divergent and bullish. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish. RSI trading at the highs. Same with the 4-hour charts. The candle is still trying to get a pullback. The directional movement bullish, stochastic, everything is same on every other chart. But look at the daily charts here. See on the daily charts here, first thing is 1780, but then it has the potential for it to achieve the double top. At least see rise, retracement, consolidation, rise. Yesterday we talked about that it has created higher base 1740, then 1748, and now it is trying to look forward to at least form a double top or even higher highs. So still do not consider this as bearish till the time it trades above this zone at 1755 levels, and only for the day below 1755 you can confirm that this is bearish and this is going to break, and potentially yes, what it is trying to do is rise, retracement, rise, double top, and then now it may try to follow the suit on the downside. Hence we may try to, those who want to take a near long term entry should wait for 1755, 1740, and then below that a good sell can be expected. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic again looking upwards. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is at the highs. Yes, considering this, only buy entry today is above 1780 levels. Beyond that 1785 first target, and then beyond that 1791, 1800 levels to be seen. On the downside you can sell at 1767, a little stretched lower entry, but yes, below that, or rather you can take a sell entry at 1770 itself and then expect 1767, 1764, 1760, and then 1755, 50, 40 levels can be seen. If it reverses from here completely, then potentially only we can expect that if it draws below 1755 you can consider that for a reversal, and below that a good drop can be expected. So sell there at 1770, buy at 1780. Those should be the target. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting, 18th batch is starting in January. First week, be a part of it, book your seats now. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at silver's hourly chart, you can find out 2240 giving it a resistance 22.20, giving it a support. Yes, I will recommend you to sell only and only if it trades below 22.10 levels. Below that, you can expect 2200, very good support. Then 2180, the next support level. Below that, 2160 will come, which is the strongest support area. But whether it is going to go there or not, let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, trying to converge here. RSI is overbought, so in the near term charts, it appears to be overbought extremely, and that is why we can see a little pullback. Also, there is a gap which it may try to fill, and hence 22 20 levels also appear to be good short entry, but then 22.10 very nearby support, $22 the next support, and then 21.80, 21.60 should come into picture. Only buy entry is about 22.40, that is very clear. If it breaks the highs, then yes, it is going to fly past 22.50 levels, which is a good resistance. And then, as I shared in my earlier analysis, I will be looking forward to $24 levels. Possibly in near future, we may see silver hitting those levels. But let's have a further look. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is extremely bullish here. It may try to converge. RSI is overbought. So it appears it is extremely overbought and hence must get a pullback. See this double top, and now it is trying to drop from here. On the 3-hour charts, potentially, if it is a reversal, it may try to give you symmetrical candle here and then try to again continue with the downward move. On the downside, 2160 should be a very, very good support. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is extremely bullish here, extremely divergent, must converge from here. RSI is overbought too. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Double top is done, and then it is trying to retrace. Potentially it may come back to 22.10, $22 levels, and then below that a good drop for 21.80, 21.60 levels cannot be denied. Directional movement extremely divergent, extremely bullish. It may start to converge. Stochastic overbought on the 4-hour charts too. Same with the MACD and same with the RSI. Everything is overbought, and hence it may try to get a pullback, little pullback on the downside. Look at the daily charts. See, both the candles have a wick here. So it is trying to erase the gains. Potentially, we may see $22 levels at least. But see, only bullish confirmation is about $22.50. That is confirmed that you can buy only about $22.40 levels. At the same time, below $22.20, you can expect $22.10, $22 the next support. And below $22.00, you can expect $21.80, $21.60. It may erase the complete gains from the yesterday. Everything is possible. These are markets. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic entering to overbought levels. The MACD is again crossing over for a buy entry here. Hence, it can sustain the bull run also. RSI trading flat. So, only bearish confirmation in silver for near term is if it trades below $21. Till the time it trades below about 21 and specifically about $22 levels in near term, near future, we may see it hitting $23.50, $24 levels also. Be cautious. Those who are holding for a long term, you should take right entry at the right time. For the day, definitely about 22.40. You can stay long for 22.50 first nearest resistance, then 22.60, and then $22.80, $23 levels can be seen today itself. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.